Hello students, in previous part we have discussed about the background history of the photosynthesis, and in this part we will discuss on the which are the pigments, which are the components are essential for photosynthesis. Components essential for photosynthesis. There are four major components such as CO2, water, chlorophyll and sunlight. We will discuss all of the component, but in this part we will firstly discuss on the chlorophyll. What are chlorophylls? Chlorophylls. These are the pigments present in plants which absorb the sunlight, मीन्स क्लोरोफिल स्टैंड फॉर पिगमेंट्स. जो पिगमेंट जरूरत होती है, और पिगमेंट्स कौन कौन से होते हैं? देयर आर three types of color pigments which absorb the sunlight help in photosynthesis. These pigments are chlorophyll, carotenoid and phycobilin. These are the three pigments which are essential for the photosynthesis process because these pigments absorb the different wavelength of sunlight and help in photosynthesis. Firstly, we will discuss on chlorophyll. There are many types of chlorophyll pigments, but out of 7 these pigments which help in the photosynthesis: chlorophyll A, chlorophyll B, C, D, E and bacteriochlorophyll or bacterioviridium. The 7 chlorophyll pigments which are essential for the photosynthesis: chlorophyll A, chlorophyll B, chlorophyll C, D, E, bacteriochlorophyll as well as bacterioviridium. Carotenoid. These are the pigments. These are also pigments which are mainly categorized into two parts: carotene and xanthophyll. Carotene. These are orange red in color. Pigments. Xanthophyll then divided into two subparts: phocoxanthine and lutein. Phocoxanthine, that is brown in color, whereas lutein in yellow color pigments. And the next one is phycobilin. Phycobilin pigments are mainly two types: phycocyanin and phycoerythrin. Phycocyanin and phycoerythrin. Phycocyanin, as the name shows, cyan color means bluish color के होते हैं. These are bluish color. And you also can say that sky color. Phycoerythrins are red in color. These are the pigments in plants which help in photosynthesis. Firstly, we will discuss about all the chlorophyll pigments, how they can help in photosynthesis processes. The chlorophyll A, B, C, D, E, and next is bacteriochlorophyll and bacteriovedin. These are the 7 chlorophyll which play a very major role in the photosynthesis process. Now, what is the structure of pigment? ये जो पिगमेंट होते हैं इनका स्ट्रक्चर कैसा होता है? Pigment means chlorophyll, carotenoid and phycobilin. How is the structure contained in the pigments? There is 2 parts of the pigment. One is head and the other one is tail. The head is known as porphyrin head. Porphyrin head. And the tail is known as phytol side chain or phytol tail. Phytol side chain and also known as phytol tail. How is the structure contained of head and tail in the pigments? The head, the major center part contains magnesium. The major central part contains magnesium in the head of the porphyrin of pigments. These magnesiums are connected with the 4 nitrogen molecules. 4 nitrogen molecules. And 4 nitrogen molecule attached with the pyrrole structure of carbon contained particles. Four pyrrole ring भी कह सकते हैं. 5th one is attached here. So we can say that 5 ring of carbon attached with the 4 nitrogen compounds, 4 nitrogen molecule. This is the how is the numbering can be provided to the carbon contained particles from first. This is the first ring, second ring, third ring, and this one is fourth, and this one fifth. Third attached with the fifth. These 4 rings of carbons are known as pyrrole ring. Pyrrole ring means first to 4 rings are known as pyrrole rings, and fifth is known as cyclopentanone. Cyclopentanone ring. This first to fifth ring structure is known as porphyrin head. We can say that tetrapyrrolic head भी कह सकते हैं because there are 4 pyrrolic head या 4 pyrrolic rings attached with the nitrogen molecule. So we can say that tetrapyrrolic head because 4 pyrrole ring are attached with the nitrogen molecule. Then how is the numbering of the carbon contained from first ring of pyrrole? It contains carbon number 1, carbon number 2, this is the carbon number 3, carbon number 4, carbon number 5, 6, 7, 8, and this one is 9 and 10. 10 carbon molecules are attached with the pentose sugar contains particles. But how this numbering can be provided? This is the first ring pyrrole ring that contains the first carbon and second carbon. Second pyrrole ring contains 3 and 4 carbon. Fourth, fifth and sixth. Third, fifth and sixth, and fourth, 7, 8, fifth, 9th and 10th. At the second ring of pyrrole, the third carbon position, we can differentiate between the chlorophyll A or chlorophyll B at this site. At the second ring of pyrrole and third carbon contained, here if it is contained methyl group. This is the location, this is the position of third carbon. If it is attached here methyl group, then we can say that this is chlorophyll A. But here when aldehyde group is attached, then we can say that this is chlorophyll B. This is the major difference between chlorophyll A and B. At second pyrrole ring and third position of carbon, if methyl group is attached, then it is the structure of chlorophyll A. In place of methyl, if here is aldehyde group is attached, then we can say that this is chlorophyll B. Clear? This is the head structure. We can say that porphyrin head, or as well as it is also known as tetrapyrrolic head. And next one is at the seventh position of carbon. Here is a long chain of carbon contains carbon bonding particles which contain 20 carbon molecules. At the seventh position, fourth pyrrole ring and seventh position of carbon, there are carbon bonding structure, a long chain which is formed that contains carbon 20 molecules. This is from the phytol tail, and you can also say that phytol side chain. Seventh position of carbon contains 20 carbon molecule, a long chain that makes the phytol tail. And third position of the carbon at the second pyrrole ring, if it is contain CH3 methyl group, then it is chlorophyll A, or if it contains aldehyde, then this is the chlorophyll B. This is the major difference between the chlorophyll A and B. How is the difference between chlorophyll A and B? Chlorophyll A and chlorophyll B. The first, at position R, second pyrrole ring and third carbon, this is position is known as R position. At position R, if there is methyl group, then we can say that this is chlorophyll A. Or if at position R, if it contains aldehyde, then this is the carbon and chlorophyll B. And the second difference between chlorophyll A and B is this is bluish green in color and this is olive green. ये bluish green color में शो होता है और ये olive green तेल जैसा white तेल के साथ green color का शो होना. This is bluish green in color and this is olive green in color. The next measure, in the reflecting light, when the light reflects through this chlorophyll A, it can be seen as red in color. In the reflecting light, it seems red in color, and in reflecting light this can be seen as brown red in color. This is the major difference between the chlorophyll A and B. Chlorophyll A, if at position R it contains methyl group, then chlorophyll A at position R if contain aldehyde, then it is chlorophyll B. And chlorophyll A is bluish green color, whereas chlorophyll B is olive green. In reflecting light, chlorophyll A can be seen as red in color, whereas chlorophyll B it can be seen as brown red in color. Clear? This is the major difference between the chlorophyll A and B. As we know that these are the pigments which help in the photosynthesis process. There are three main pigments: chlorophyll, carotenoid and phycobilin. We have already discussed with the different subgroups of the pigments. In next part we will discuss about the next component of the photosynthesis.